No. Guys, come on. This is good. Ooh. Hello everyone, welcome to kitchen gadget testing number 30 something. Oh, shiver me timbers, we're still going. Kind of like my age, 30 something. Round it down. Today we are testing a batch of kitchen gadgets. If you've missed any of the others, please check out the full playlist, have a marathon, and remember some of these can help people with disabilities, so they're not like that bad. They're good, they can help people, you know, think about that before you leave your comment. We got 6 gadgets today, all right, 6. Some of them actually are kind of novelty, but we just need to go through that, and there are a few that I think will genuinely be useful. There's one, I'm like, what the heck is that? It's kind of a tease, but we'll come to that. First up, we've got a 6-in-1 gadget that should be 6-in-1, but I've only got the 5 things. I forgot to buy one of them from the shops. Sorry. But just before we do that one, I'm just gonna preheat my oven, all right? It's just because we need a pizza for one of the gadgets in a bit. I'm not on a sugar high, I promise. I haven't even had sugar yet, and we're just about to. Because this is the multi-opener, one of the first gadgets I've ever had, which is sunk to the bottom of the kitchen gadget box. Don't believe me about the kitchen gadget box? Here's a little behind the scenes of it. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the gadget area thing that I keep talking about. In fact, no, this is only half of it, and these boxes are filled, well, pretty much, the one at the back as well, with gadgets that I have not touched. Oh, look. Sorry. There's a lot. That's my point, and they keep coming. We've even got some Wish.com ones as well at the moment. I am totally going to do a Wish.com gadget haul soon. Multi-opener, easily open jars, bottles, cans, and food packages. So this is cool. For me, when I looked at it, I was like, yeah, this looks like a weird kind of fat, chunky pair of scissors, but it's so much more than that. It is so much more than that. We can open all of these things with this. Ooh. So it's got like that lippy thing there. It's got what looks like a bottle opener as you bring it together. It's got lots of cool things on it. I just threw away the packaging, which has the instructions on, so I better go get that. All right, we will start with this can of energy drink. If you haven't heard of this brand, Relentless, they are notorious for people that work on construction sites to get them through the working day. Essentially, a sugar high in a can. I think they're trying to get a bit better, but when I went to the till, oh, I think this is a gadget. I think this is another Wish gadget. When I went to the till, it said you need approval, like as if it was alcohol or cigarettes. That's how, I guess, strong these are, right? Oh, yes. This is it. This is one of the Wish gadgets. I'll try and do it on the next kitchen gadget video, okay? I'm not going to show you all of these, but there are like diagrams for them. One of them I think is herbs. Where is it? Is it that one there to get that little seam off a herb? I forgot the herbs, didn't I? So we'll do the rest of them. So that, for reference, is what I'm going to do. First up is a can ring pull. We use the leverage thing here to hook into... Oh no, it's a sealed can. My oven's ready for the pizza. Never fear, folks, never fear, because I have got from a house party over the summer a can of beer left over. But, tempted to try this. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. Oosh. Passion fruit, nice, but there's just basically passion fruit and sugar. So the reason I couldn't use that one is the ring pull at the top bit was sealed. So we take this thing. Oh my gosh, no. It's too fat. It is not going in there, in the hole, because you're supposed to get it in there and go back. Let's try and do it this way instead. Ooh, okay. We found a way around it. It's 9:30 in the morning. Is that in date? Tastes like battery acid. But what the heck is going on this morning? Hello?
Hi, it's Lucy calling from Cowan.
Hiya.
Hiya, just calling.
Do you ever get one of those days where it's just like... Apparently with the butt end, if you have a sealed bag, you can open this, press it down, and then... Well, that worked. Let's go for something a bit more sensible, but this is a jar of mayonnaise. So it's got the seal. So say you struggle to get even the seal off, you can use that. We wrap that bigger bit around there and go, oh my gosh. I mean, these are pretty good to get open, but maybe like an old school like jar of jam that you've had lying around for 10 years. Oh my gosh. Hello?
Hi Barry, it's Red. How are you?
Oh, good. So we've got two types of bottle here. We've got cream soda, which I absolutely loved. And I was looking at the ingredients earlier in the supermarket going, what is cream soda? Obviously vanilla. And the first ingredient is carbonated water. And then there's another one that's called caramelized water. But I was really intrigued to make my own homemade cream soda. I wonder if you guys want to see that on a video. The Cream Soda Project. The Adventures of Cream Soda in Barrington. The Cream Soda Chronicles. Very easy. So this becomes the bottle opener as you go like this, I presume. Yeah, baby. Ooh, that. Crikey, that's sweeter than this. Wow. It's good though. And the last one for this, this is a screw top bottle, cherry cola. Very nice. So we should be able to go around like this. Yes, that's it. Clamp it, so squeeze it well. Oh, I just got that. Why am I looking out the window? Whoa. God, that's like gravy. Right, anyway, I have to say that this multi-opener can thing is a cracking start and probably pretty darn decent to have in a kitchen drawer, which is exactly where this is going to go. With a billion other kitchen gadgets that I actually like. One of my faves. We need a pan. We're going to cook an egg. Alright, this water's cold, but we can just leave this forever. We're just going to hard boil these eggs, which basically translates to the easiest way to cook an egg. I've got a really cool gadget, which you've seen before, where you put a red egg in and it changed to soft medium, or the Elvis egg timer. When Elvis starts singing, if the batteries are still alive, we'll know the egg, but we'll let him do the full festival so we can get them hard. We'll keep the oven on because we need to do some cupcakes in a minute, and also we are primarily a cooking channel. Thanks. I'm only joking, I'm on my own. I'm on my own. This is the Pizza Peddler by Fred. We've come across Fred quite a few times. Hello, Fred. Novelty gadgets. This is the Pizza Peddler Pizza Cutter Roulette. It has a comedy effect monkey with a fez on a unicycle that's your pizza cutter. That's basically it. I love it. With real pedal pushing action. Amazing. So does that mean it's going to actually like cycle? The legs are... Yes. And there it is. Wow. It's like a CD, isn't it? It's like a mirror. Let's do it this way. Let's do it. Ready? I need to hold it here. It's coming to get you. No, it's not moving. It's not moving. No. Come on. There you go. Yes. Kind of hurts. I feel like I'm getting tennis elbow doing this. Down and yes. Yes. Let's just see if it goes. Hey. Oh, it's a bit stiff. Yeah, it needs to be in pizza to work, but Fred, you've done it again. The Pizza Peddler, hashtag spawn me a future video, yeah? Hit me out, guys, yeah? There is that temptation, though, to forget that this, as I say, it is dangerous, so please be careful. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I feel like I'm on a sugar high. Hopefully a nice drink will calm me down. Man, that is so sweet. In the words of Griff from Back to the Future 2, when he's on his hoverboard going, batter up. Batter up indeed. This is the batter dispenser. Another one that I've had in my box for a long, long time. But finally, you are unleashed. It is your time to shine. Merely because I did have a cherry pitter gadget that I wanted to show. Went to the supermarket and they didn't have cherries. So, batter up. So basically, it's a big funnel thing, which means you can sort of dispense batter into your cupcake cases. That's cool. Also really good for making pancakes. I think it would be actually, but we're not. We're just going to do a simple cupcake mix. So I've literally bought a packet mix where you add water and eggs and some cupcake icing that comes with a nozzle. So we're going to have chocolate cupcakes. Either way, my kids are going to love it. Kids are going to love it. Another Back to the Future reference. Yes. You guys know me too well. Viva Las Vegas. Remember that gadget video, guys? If you've missed it, you should be in the middle of a marathon watching the kitchen gadget video from #1. Why did it beep again? Alrighty then. Bowl. 1 egg. 2 eggs. 120 mils of water. Not even looking. Looking at you. And we use this from a previous gadget video as well. The musical drumstick wooden spoon just to make our batter. I forget the song, but That means it's done. So I'm just going to leave that on the heat just while we finish this one. But how, I hear you cry, does the batter dispenser work? I've just washed it and it's very simple. We have a lid, which the batter goes in, and then this, see that hole? If I press the trigger, it moves it. Batter goes in. Okay, it's quite lumpy batter, but it's actually very, very lumpy. But what do you do when you've got a spoon with a hole in it, huh? It does actually have measurements on the side as well. So that's 2 cups of batter. All right, this guy is just singing way too much. You need to get out. You sit in there. Oh, Elvis, stop, mate. You're even louder now. God. All right, so let's do this. Got to make sure that the funnel is directly over it, or that could be a mess. I'm gonna ease it. Oh my God, it's like it's pooing. It's going to the toilet. Oh, I'm opening it and it's not coming through. Come on. Don't you say your goodbyes. It is actually working. It's just falling when it wants. I've got the trigger fully pulled. That is fully pressed in. Give it a shake. A shake to help it. Let's see if we can get a little bit of a knife in there and mix it up a bit. It's quite a thick batter. That's a bit better. Well, the first one was all right. What if I push it a bit? That's better. Oh, we're pooing now. Sorry, wrong word. I didn't make the smoothest batter, to be fair. It's probably congealed in there a little bit. But then pancake batter's quite thick, isn't it? Yeah, there's no lumps in this. And it's a hole, so it's not sifting it. It should do it. Just needs a darn sight lot of work to get it going. All right, let's bake them. So, not the finest cupcakes I've ever made. But let's stick it on a medium shelf. So we've got the boiled eggs for 2 reasons. One, there's this gadget here called the Egg Hammer Touch. Hammer Touch. An egg cracker, topper, egg opener for soft and hard-boiled eggs. Very excited for this. And it's basically like this. It looks like a little hammer. I love it. I love it. I don't know how it works. The other thing is just a novelty thing. Oh, but is it? I need some toast as well. I'm getting fed like a king today. Toasty! So we literally stick it on there. Look, it's a little hat. Look at that. Hello, welcome to the court. And then we hold. My toast's done. It's all going on. This is too wobbly. This is too wobbly. I can tell already. Peter Rabbit, James Corden, in you come. There's a lot less movement on this one. Off with its head. No, it didn't do it. Oh, it's done half of it. Oh my gosh, come on now. God, this is pressure. Yeah. We've got some more eggs. Don't worry, we'll try again.
Easily make a round opening for the eggshell by lifting the weight, then releasing it to crack the top of the egg. By dropping the weight, you'll get a perfect circle cracked into the shell.
Which can then be easily removed by hand or use a spoon or knife. Okay, the ultimate egg topper. Opener, separator, and cutter. Right, we'll do what it says. Because when the first time I did it, I did actually get a seam, so we've got to be fair to it. And it does literally fit on any egg. Just got to hold it. Oh, I'm just worried that it's like one of those chewing gum joke things. Remember as a kid? It's going to whack my... Do I hold it there? Ooh. Ooh. Hey. There is a fear when I'm doing it that like you do that and you're going to catch your finger on it. But I'm not going to do that. You just really... Oh, that was a good one. We've got the seam and you just got to work with it. That actually is pretty good. I just don't like eggs that much. They have excellent health benefits, but they smell extraordinary. I just used all my eggs up and I realised that I need it for this. I hope not. This is just more of a novelty thing called the Egg-splode, all right? I've got sent loads of these. Oh, it's a tank. It's a full-on tank. Oh my gosh, this reminds me of cannon fodder so much. Right, we need to make an egg. The egg goes in there, that sits on there, and then you've got... Yeah, look at that. You're judging me again. Stop it. I walk you twice a day. Well, it's not just that. We call them, in the UK particularly, when you have a hard-boiled egg and you dip it into the yolk, soldiers. They've gone for actual soldiers with the toast. So we're just going to do it straight on here. It's the perfect size of the bread. I should have done that on a chopping board because I kind of might have soldiers implanted into my thing now. Okay, we're getting there, we're getting there. It's a bit of a wounded soldier, but we're getting there. Look, oh, he's got his shoelace undone. There you go, an actual soldier. In he goes. Is this going to be a soft egg? No. I'm going to keep my eye on the cupcakes, but I do have one more. This is ridiculous. This, amazing find by my friend Lettuce. He finds me the most random gadgets and I end up getting them. And I forget about them. They turn up and go, what the heck is it? This reminds me of a video game character. Is it Zool? From the PlayStation days. Lollipop Robot. That's basically it. It's a way of teasing animals and other humans with a robot and going, when the switch is pressed, the Lollipop Robot extends its arm and places the lollipop on the arm, offering it. Release the switch and the Lollipop Robot sends the lollipop to the inlet, so it basically hides it. It's basically a teasing tool. And is there a lolly with it? There is a lolly with it, and that looks disgusting. Oh my gosh. But I bought some Chupa Chups, and obviously my kids will be back later. I'll try it on them too, but let's just see it. Like, this is simply it. What does the green thing do? Oh, nothing, but look. Okay, that's it. All right, so the lollipop, there's a handle thing for it there. Can you see? If I just go like that, you can see there's a hole there. So we stick the lollipop into there, and then, no, he's wearing it on his head. I'm gonna need to push it down more. Ah, right, okay, cool. There you go. Apparently, the advert that I saw that I was tagged in, it was like kind of like more of a hygienic thing. So if you want to take your lolly out discreetly, oh, I really want some of my lolly. Thank you, Lollipop Robot thing. I couldn't eat any more. Yeah, this is awful. In the video, I did see that there was someone teasing a dog with it, and I do not endorse that, but I will try it anyway. You get dog biscuits after this, all right? Amy will try it. Come on, mate. Yep. No, you don't. No. Quick. No. Guys, come on. This is good. This is rubbish. I haven't even been thinking about those cupcakes, so hopefully they're either done or not burnt. By the way, packet mix cakes can be some of the best ones. Some people are like, ooh, I love what you did to the sponge. Like, last minute cake mix. Brilliant for birthdays. Never used one of these. Oh, wow. Let's go for this one. Screw it down. Hot cake. Oh, the cake. Oh no, the whole packaging's coming off. Look at that. Oh my god. All right. Cake. The cake is still warm. The cake is still warm, so it's probably going to melt all the icing off, but. Oh, that's hot. Icing's good as well. So as we finish this last one up, don't forget to subscribe for regular videos, food fun, all that bits and bobs and stuff. This thing is amazing. Look at this. Right, sharp blade, basically a mini version of this choppy thing you see me use with the vegetables. Oh wow, there's a spare blade at the bottom, that's good. You can do like the long stuff. Ideal for garlic. Maybe you could get a cherry tomato in there, something like that. Oh, remember I told you that hack of how to peel a garlic clove really easy? Right, garlic clove on there, slappy slap. Boom. This video isn't sponsored by these guys, by the way. I'm just totally doing that. My favourite gadget out of all that was actually the multi-opener. I loved that, but also for novelty effect, I don't think you can beat the little egg tank thing. But there we go. Hope you enjoyed the video. That's it. Love me lots, and I'll love you back. See you next time. Goodbye. Have a marathon. Choo-choo.
There's a place in your house where it's cool to chill, get some me time, or even cook a meal. It's your kitchen, mofo. Ain't no time to slack, so just grab yourself.
That's all, folks.